Marvelous everything. This Mint State 68 is tied for the finest graded of this important Civil War era trime. It is amazing that this tiny jewel survived in such a pristine state of preservation. This piece has swirling, bold cartwheel luster with satiny frosted surfaces that gleam with a gorgeous look. Sharply struck from clashed dies as typically seen on this date. This coin has a stunning target tone with concentric bands of rainbow toning, yielding to a brilliant silver center and a soft teal blue that deepens to a bold splash of violet at the lower portion of the shield. The surfaces are devoid of any contact. The only marks we see are the mint-made clash marks, a monster of an eye-appealing superb gem. The last PCGS Mint State 68 sold way back in September of 1998. PCGS price guide is $27,500, a spectacular type coin worthy of the finest of sets.